Hey, my name's Christine, and I'm hanging out with
Renato Jeromel.
And we are here at this quaint little place in Art and Entertainment District here in Miami. Why are we hanging out? Well, your network is your net worth. One of the things we're sitting here talking about is land opportunities. So share with us a little bit about what's going on and what you're looking for.
Yeah, I'm so glad we met up. We met in a conference a couple of years ago, and then just stayed in contact. I think your network is your net worth is the key thing. I'm looking currently for land, new construction. I love that. That's through my passion.
That's your background, right?
That's my background. Yeah, I've been in the industry, for quite a few years. Just talking to different people. That's how you figure out what what you need. How can you provide value? And that's what we're doing here in this coffee shop. And we figure out, hey, maybe she has some land that we could, take a look at and potentially move forward with, which is what we're looking for.
Yeah. You said, hey, I'm looking for land in these areas. I'm going, well, tell me where they are here in Florida. And he mentioned a couple of areas, and I'm like, I know of a site in that area. Then he mentioned another site near Central Florida. And I was like, I've got something there too. So fantastic. That's what it's all about, is when you get connected with your network and talk about and being able to create opportunities. So I'm so glad that we connected. And like you said, when you see people coming into town, you definitely got to connect with them, because we could have just brushed it off and said, oh, hey, enjoy Miami, but now we're going to work on things. That's exciting, right?